Information about timber market in Moldova. Cutoff is September 2021 and I do not have access to real-time information. However, I can provide some general information about the timber market in Moldova based on the available data up to September 2021. Moldova has a significant forest cover, which accounts for approximately 11% of the country's territory. The forestry sector in Moldova is mainly represented by small and medium-sized enterprises that are engaged in logging, sawmilling, and wood processing. According to the data from the National Bureau of Statistics of the Republic of Moldova, the production of sawn timber amounted to around 285,000 cubic meters in 2020, which is an increase compared to the previous year. The main species of trees used for sawn timber production in Moldova are oak, beech, and ash. The timber market in Moldova is highly dependent on exports, and the main export destinations for Moldovan timber products are Romania, Italy, Turkey, and China. The COVID-19 pandemic has had an impact on the timber industry in Moldova, as the demand for timber products has decreased due to the economic slowdown in the export markets. In terms of regulations, the forestry sector in Moldova is governed by the Forest Code, which sets out rules for forest management and protection. The export of timber is subject to export quotas, and the export of raw logs is prohibited. The government of Moldova has also implemented measures to promote sustainable forest management practices and combat illegal logging. Overall, the timber market in Moldova has potential for growth, but it is highly dependent on external factors such as export markets and global economic conditions.